Apophyllite was named in 1806. Recently, the types of this mineral have been distinguished, so apophyllite is an umbrella term for three types of minerals: fluoroapophyllite green or pastel hue, hydroxyapophyllite clear, and natropophyllite brown. All types of apophyllite share a similar chemical structure and properties but just vary in color and shape. Apophyllite's structure consists of layers, which gives it a pearly sheen and unique shape. It is layered with alternating silicate sheets and the potassium, sodium, calcium, fluorine and water layers in between. Apophyllite crystals can be found in ancient lava flows, that filled in caves or voids and are now solid masses. As lava poured into these spaces and quickly cooled, the air bubbles hardened in place, creating pockets in the solid mass. We know these pockets as geodes. Some mystery still exists as to how exactly crystals grow inside geodes. Most apophyllite on the collector's market comes from India, but it can also be found in Italy, Germany, Canada, Iceland, Greenland, and Brazil. The kingdom of heaven is spread out over the earth, and men do not see it. Apophyllite is a crystal that awakens the mind to the beauty and magic of this world. It shows us the value in restoring our sense of wonder and allowing yourself to marvel at the simplest of things. Temporarily suspending our beliefs, perceptions, even our rationality, creates a clean slate. In this freed state, the most fantastic of new ideas and perceptions can find us. Mediation with apophyllite allows us to sense our interconnectedness with creation and all things in it. Apophyllite is associated with both the element of wind, but also has an interesting relationship with water energies. Apophyllite contains water, and this may be why it is thought to have powerful cleaning properties and is highly sought by healers. It is especially popular for use during Reiki sessions, as it is thought to allow for the transfer of energy and removal of blockages. Green apophyllite has a sweet energy that inspires lightheartedness and deepens our enjoyment of nature's beauty. It connects us to the energetic undercurrent of the natural world that is humming with life and growth. A wonderful crystal for gardeners and animal lovers, it is thought to aid communication with the spirit of nature. Green apophyllite can come in many shades, ranging from just a hint of aqua to deep forest green. Like all green stones, apophyllite is a stone of growth, rebirth, recovery, youth, and vitality. Green apophyllite is wonderful to rest the eyes on. Letting our gaze linger on a green stone brings a sense of peace. Apophyllite's earthy energy refreshes indoor spaces and can be a wonderful stone for the office. Green apophyllite is a friend of the heart chakra, which is happiest when outdoors.